How to check if a word is an English word with Python. I want to check in a Python program if a word is in the English dictionary. I believe an nltk wordnet interface might be the way to go, but I have no clue how to use it for such a simple task. In the future, I might want to check if the singular form of a word is in the dictionary, for example, properties, property, English word. How would I achieve that?
For much more power and flexibility, use a dedicated spell-checking library like PineChant. There's a tutorial, or you could just dive straight in. PineChant comes with a few dictionaries, in_GB, in_us, de_da, fr_fr, but can use any of the OpenOffice ones if you want more languages. There appears to be a pluralization library called Inflect, but I've no idea whether it's any good.
It won't work well with wordnet, because wordnet does not contain all English words. Another possibility based on nltk without enchant is nltk's words corpus.
Using nltk. You should refer to this article if you have trouble installing WordNet or want to try other approaches.
Using a set to store the word list because looking them up will be faster. To answer the second part of the question, the plurals would already be in a good word list, but if you wanted to specifically exclude those from the list for some reason, you could indeed write a function to handle it. But English pluralization rules are tricky enough that I'd just include the plurals in the word list to begin with. As to where to find English word lists, I found several just by Googling English word list. Here is one, this URL. You could Google for British or American English if you want specifically one of those dialects.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.